AnyDesk hacked 170,000 customer firm confirms breach. AnyDesk, a German remote access software firm with 170,000 global customers like Comcast and Thales, confirmed a security breach in its production systems. The company left customers anxious for 3 days following failed client logins, attributing it to unexpected maintenance. That suggests its previous code signing certificate was compromised. Now, in a late Friday, February 2nd security advisory, AnyDesk said, "After detecting signs of an incident in our systems, we carried out a security audit and discovered compromised production systems. AnyDesk breach, no ransomware involved. Details scarce." AnyDesk, founded in 2014 and with customers in 190 countries, added, "We have no evidence that any end-user devices have been affected. We can confirm that the situation is under control, and it is safe to use AnyDesk." Security expert Florian Roth developed a Yara rule to spot over 2,300 binaries signed with a potentially compromised AnyDesk certificate, even before the company confirmed the breach. As a safety measure, we're resetting all my AnyDesk.com portal passwords and advise users to change their passwords elsewhere if they're the same, the company added in its update. AnyDesk released the advisory at 11 p.m. German time without providing further details or indicators of compromise.